While addressing AVA employees, President Kenyatta applauded Simba Corporation, the Proton franchise holder in Kenya, and other assemblers for supporting the government's agenda to revive the local vehicle assembly industry to support wealth and employment creation for the Kenyan youth.
Today, we are saying we want jobs to come back to Kenya. Tunataka kazi irudi kwetu. Vijana wetu wawe ndio wanafanya kazi. Na hakuna njia ingine ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba kazi imerudi kwa mikono ya vijana wetu isipokuwa kuanza kujiundia magari na bidhaa mbalimbali kwetu hapa Kenya.
President Kenyatta, who was accompanied by Mombasa Governor Ali Hassan Joho, reiterated the government's commitment to survive the automotive industry in Kenya as part of the efforts geared towards achieving the manufacturing pillar of the Big Four agenda.
And today we are celebrating the return of saloon vehicle assembly here at AVA in Mombasa, and I want to congratulate those involved. The automotive industry in Kenya. It used to be, at one stage, that the majority of vehicles that used to traverse our roads were actually assembled by our own young Kenyans.
However, President Uhuru Kenyatta regretted that greed and lack of foresight led the Kenyan market to be dominated by used motor vehicles, a move that pushed local factories to close down, leading to job losses.
And then, because of individual greed and lack of foresight, we allowed our market to be dominated by used vehicles from other parts of the country, from other parts of the world. And as a result, factories were closed down and jobs were lost.
Linda Koskei, K24 TV.